programming. I've been making a bot for this game called Squared Away. Oh, nope, cancel. And it's just like a little logic bot that'll do some simple logic and solve these puzzles. For example, yeah. So yeah, this is what it does. It'll just solve the puzzle. I've been thinking about making like a Wordle. Or maybe something like similar to a Wordle bot. Okay, this keeps happening. So let's have a look at A2. See what the problem with A2 is, because every time it tries to do something on A2, it'll just keep repeating indefinitely. And gotta love PyAuto GUI, huh? There we go. Oops. Okay. So the way that I have the code organized is it has a script per squared, so I'm only going to do half of them because logically that just makes sense. A2. Well, pick. Okay, that's why we don't update it. So I'm gonna go pick is equal to GUI.screenshot. There we go. Okay, that was actually a really easy fix to the problem. Okay, let's click there. Alright, there we go. Alright, seems to be working correctly now. There we go. It took 21 swaps, so let's just try that one again. Might as well. Okay. Let's start it over. See if we can get in less than 16. Which really, if it will just do it 100% of the time, like what's even the point in like finishing? Not like finishing completely, but like let's just take a look at this. Is it done? Well, it skipped 2 of them. What happens if we start it? Did it not save part of the code? Let's see what we got at the bottom. Oh. A4 is all it got? Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's not right. I had all the way to like B3. Okay. That being said, I'm done with this one. I lost a lot of my progress, but it should get the majority of it. New random game. Tubetris. Building. Alright, let's see how this works. Do the tutorial. Oh, is it just Tetris? It's just Tetris with pipes. I don't really want to do Tetris. Yeah, no. Okay. Cataracty. Cataracte. Let's see what this one's like. Cataracte. Okay, new game. As the water loses its light, okay. Okay. Little platforming game. Okay, you can hold the button to jump up. Okay. I suppose we could make a bot that plays this one. I don't know. I'm not loving this one. Sorry, just got a text. Alright. Yeah, I'm not loving this one. I'm gonna pass on this one. One trick mage. Maybe let's do something that's not cool math. Let's do Minesweeper. Okay. Let's do it. In Visual Studios, create a new project. We're gonna go Python because that's what I want to use right now, and let's go. Call it Minesweeper. Sorry, I'm talking to a friend. We're going to be working on a Unity project together, and we're just sorting out some of the details. Okay. I'm just. What's the smallest? Let's start with the easiest. Easy. Works for me. Okay. Did I really just close the Visual Studios? Okay. Mine. Sweeper. Small. Create. Alright, first things we're gonna add. Import. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. Pi. Auto. GUI as GUI, import time, import, might as well just import random, don't know when I'm going to need it, so let's import it now. Theoretically I shouldn't need any random, but okay. Let's see how logically how we're going to do this at first. So there's what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, well, actually 10 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 80 squares. We could theoretically get a gist of how far apart they are each, right? Because it alternates different colors. So we could make a program that will find all the squares, or it'll just know that it's Let's see. So, right, you left click, the middle of the square turns to red. Is that the same red as this? it looks like it. That's the same red. Right, normally it'd go like that. And that was a misclick, but okay. Anyway, what we could do, it'll click here first, then it'll go left to right, like solving them logically. So if it sees this, then it'll see around it how many green squares there are, and if there's a number of green squares equal to that number, it'll use some logic, use some logical processes. Okay, so let's start by recording some information. So I'm going to pull out checker, and that's 80 squares. Okay, actually let's go just center to center on each one, find the difference. Yeah, I think I like that idea. Center to center here, center to center here. Find out how far apart each one of them is. Create an array, or at least some sort of way of storing information. So actually, I'm going to create a list. So I'm going to call it x is equal to list. Actually, this is a tuple, isn't it? Oh, no, this is a list. I'm going to go just add them as we go, and then y, create a list. Sorry, I'm a little shaky on Python right now. Okay. Then, as we record information, because there's 10 squares, 10 by 8. So, I'm just going to number these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Just for now. Then, these are just placeholders right now. Okay, there we go. Let's pull up checker. You can't see where I put it, but it's not really relevant where I put it. Okay, right here. Taking a picture of that. We're looking for the different int x's right there. And then here, we're looking for the different of y's. And if there's some dead zones, we can change it later. Okay, I'm going to review that information real quick and find our starting off point. So our 0, 0. Okay, our 0x is 1075. One 8 1. That's our 0 0. Okay, and then we can see that our difference from here to here is 25 55. Each x increases by 45, sorry. So this one is 11 20. This one would be 11 65. This one would be 12 10. 1 2 5 5. 130. Well, not 130, but you get the point. 1 3 4 5. 1 3 90. That's 1 4 35. And 1 4 80. good to me. Okay. And our step in the y direction should also be around 45. It's about the same distance. Okay, 181 to 232. What is that? 180 to 230. That's just 50. I don't think she's in here.
Sure, she's running away from you. You like the computer setup?
Yeah.
You can close these again. We were just trying to get you some sunlight while you were cleaning.
Yeah, I kind of like it though.
Some sunlight?
Yeah.
It's not putting a glare on your TV.
Nope.
There. Best of both worlds.
Yeah, thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. What do you make it?
A robot that plays Minesweeper. Okay. So basically what this does is these are coordinates. It's a list of coordinates for each of the individual squares.
Does it matter that there's extra spaces?
No.
Oh.
So this is a 10 by 8 grid.
Mm-hmm.
And then these are the coordinates for it. So as it goes, it can do like, this is the x coordinate, this is a y, and basically it'll fill in the grid. And then it will check around it and use logic to determine like what it actually is. I haven't really started at all. Okay, for I, actually for x and that's not what I need.
I love you.
Love you too. It starts at 0, right? The first index. So this will go actually, so it'll just go straight down. So it'll start here and go down. I'm going to use the checker real quick. Check each of these colors, because one is that, boom. 2 is that, boom. 3 is that, boom. There's a 4, there we go. 4 is that, boom. I don't think we're gonna get a whole lot more than that right now. As we encounter it, we'll make more. Okay, so we're gonna go 1 is equal to 25. 118. 210. Okay. 2. Let's see, 2 is equal to... Man, I'm moving so slow right now. Sorry, guys. I had to establish how I'm going to do this, but I think I know now. 56. 142. 60. 3 is equal to 2, 1, 1. 47. 47.
Pounds.
Thank you. Oh, yeah.
I'm just getting out my closet.
Thank you. Okay. 4 is equal to should be, yeah, pretty low. 1, 2, 3, 31, 1, 6, 2. Okay. All right. Let's see. So we have our coordinates. We have if actually I needed to find a picture, so pick is equal to GUI dot screenshot. Okay. GUI dot screenshot. Then we can go if GUI pick dot get pixel x y is equal to 1, and then this is just going to be one long one. There we go. Or okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then we'll just go let's go one by one and define them, what they should do. A lot of if statements. If x is greater than 0, so if it does x more than this is actually tough. What am I gonna do? Okay, so we'll go one by one, straight down. So if x is greater than 0, then it will check here. Then if y is greater than 0, or let's just check all the x's first. And x is less than, would it be 9? X is less than 9. Actually, let's just start like here. We'll have multiple if statements. A lot of ifs going on. We'll have if it's less than 0, which means it's still in the first one. And y is less than 0. Or actually equal to 0. That's what we need. Equal to 0. This is just for the first one. I was right the first time. Okay. Okay, if it equals 1. Has it done anything? It hasn't done anything. Let's actually just start the whole program by clicking there. So I'm going to go time.sleep 3, then GUI.click, we're going to go X, X, Y. Okay. Okay. It'll click there. Then we're just gonna go this is gonna be really complicated. So we have, let's just go count green. Man, this is pissing me off. Let's just go, actually never mind. We're gonna go X, X, Y, Y. Then count green. We're gonna go pick is equal to GUI.screenshot. Then if Okay. So the first one. If. No. I'm making this way more complicated than it needs to be. Okay. If. Pick. Dot get screenshot. Dot get pixel. And then I'm gonna go x minus, what was that, 45, y minus 50. We need to keep track of what green is. So this is the darker green, this is the lighter green. Okay. There. Oh, but it changes colors when you click on it. Of course it does. Of frickin' course it does. Okay, I'm gonna use snipping tool. It's the best way to do this. Okay. Can I use clicker now? I really want to use checker. Checker. There, get up here. Okay, there we go. Bonk. Bonk. Okay, there we go. Got it. That's all I need. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Sorry, I've been quiet. I just have been trying to get this. 170, 215, 81. Okay. Num is equal. I'll define num up here. Okay. Now, Okay. Now there should be 3 pluses. 1, 2, and 3 minuses. We're missing a plus. 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 So we're going to go plus 50x. X plus 50. Okay, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Looks good to me. Def find green. Then we're gonna go num. Okay. Let to okay. Find green. While num found is less than num. Num found. How do I spell it? Like this. Okay. While num found is less than the number. I think I got an idea. No, that won't really work. I'm just gonna go count is equal to 1. Actually, count plus equals 1. Then we're gonna go count okay. So if count is equal to 1, Okay. So this is a framework of how this is going to work. While numFound is less than the number, it will add a count for every iteration, and then it will do something different for every iteration. It should only do the iteration 8 times. I'm just gonna go GUI. So first off, num found goes up by 1, and also GUI dot click you'll right click on it, turn it into a flag. Okay, right click on it. Now count is 2, and this is going to be chaotic as heck, but alright, chugging along ever so slowly. Alright. Okay. Alright. Still chugging along. Okay. Let's just put this whole thing in a like for loop. Not a for loop. A while loop. That way it would actually finish. I was just thinking about it. Okay. Keep chugging. I'm at what? 5? I'm getting there. Oh no, wait. Is this red and this red different? Okay, the red doesn't change. That'd be really annoying if they're the same red. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, we're good. They're different. Thank God. Okay.
Hey, you got some hangers I can borrow?
Yeah, I got some.
Alright. I just need like 3 or 4.
Let's grab as many as you need.
I don't think 4. Thank you.
Whoops. That's not what I want. That could have been bad. Luckily it wasn't. Man, this is actually like killing me right now. I don't know why. This isn't even like that boring. It's pretty boring, but it's not that boring. I shouldn't be yawning. Okay. This will put a flag on each. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh. 2, 4, 2. 54. 7. Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna go take a break, go get something to eat, and I'll be right back. Okay, I think the next function we're gonna do is destroying all, if the flags are equal to the number, then it'll destroy all the other. So it'll just click everywhere that's not a flag. We'll add some additional things afterward. I'll be back in a second. back. I feel a little louder now. Okay. That's what a flag is. I don't even know why I need this. Not that it really makes a difference. I don't think it makes a difference. I'm just gonna remove it. Okay, let's just do it's not equal to 1. We're gonna go find flags. Alright. So I've been coding for a little while. I think I'm gonna play some games. Just gonna play some games. What game should I play though? Play a quick game of Minesweeper, I guess. On hard. Okay. I'll show you my awesome minesweeping skills. No. Okay. Okay. I'm minesweeping like a pro right now. Okay. Oh, yeah, no, that was Rogue. Okay. Play some Poker Rogue.